Onion Juice for Hair Growth, the complete guide. Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed your hair looking thinner than before? Maybe you've been finding more hair on your pillow or in the shower drain than you'd like. Hair loss can be frustrating and sometimes even scary. But what if I told you that one of the most effective and affordable hair growth remedies might already be sitting in your kitchen? Yes, I'm talking about onion juice. Today, I'm going to share with you exactly how to make it, how to use it, and how to boost its effects so you can say goodbye to thinning hair and hello to healthy growth. First, let's talk about why onion juice is so effective. Onions are incredibly rich in sulfur, which plays a big role in keeping hair strong and encouraging new growth. Sulfur helps in building keratin, the protein that forms the structure of our hair. Onion juice also has antioxidant and antibacterial properties, which means it can help fight scalp conditions like dandruff, irritation, and even mild infections that might be blocking your hair growth. Of course, it's always important to look at the bigger picture. Hair loss can also be caused by stress, hormonal changes, or nutritional deficiencies. So while onion juice is powerful, it works best when you also take care of your overall health. How to make onion juice. Here's what you need. Red onions. These are the best for hair treatments. Smaller ones are often more potent, but if you can't find them, large organic red onions work perfectly. Or 1 large onion. Peel and chop them into small pieces. 2. Put them into your blender and puree them. I don't add water, but if your blender struggles, a small splash can help. 3. Strain the puree to separate the juice. You can use a fine strainer, a nut milk bag, or pantyhose. They work surprisingly well. 4. Transfer the fresh juice into a squeeze bottle. And there you have it, pure, powerful onion juice. Apply the juice directly to your scalp, section by section, making sure it's fully saturated. Give yourself a gentle scalp massage. This increases blood flow and helps the juice penetrate deeper. Leave it on for about 30 minutes. Wash it out with a mild shampoo. If the smell worries you, using a herbal shampoo can help mask it. If you have sensitive skin, always do a patch test first. Onion juice can be quite strong. For best results, apply at least twice a week. Like any natural remedy, onion juice takes time. Give it at least a few months before judging results. Consistency is your best friend here. Onion juice is amazing, but when you combine it with other natural hair boosters, you can make it even more effective. Here are some of my favorite combinations. 1. Onion juices plus coconut oil. Coconut oil nourishes the hair and moisturizes the scalp. Mixing it with onion juice gives you a hydrating, growth-boosting treatment. 2. Onion juice plus castor oil. Castor oil is famous for hair growth. When combined with onion juice, you get a thicker, richer treatment that fights thinning. 3. Onion juice herbal hair serum. Adding a natural hair growth serum, especially those with Ayurvedic herbs, can increase the nutrient power of your onion juice mask. 4. Onion juice fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek is amazing for preventing hair fall and stimulating regrowth. For a paste, soak fenugreek seeds overnight, blend into a paste, then mix with onion juice. For a rinse, soak overnight, boil, cool, then mix the water with onion juice. 4. Onion juice plus flaxseed gel. Flax seeds are great for hair growth, and the gel gives the mixture a smooth texture, making it easier to apply. 5. Onion juice raw honey moisturizes your scalp and fights bacteria, great for improving scalp health. For any of these blends, leave the mixture on your scalp for at least 30 minutes before washing it off. Always use fresh onion juice. Nutrients are strongest right after extraction. If the smell bothers you, add a few drops of lavender or rosemary essential oil. Both also help with hair growth. Maintain a healthy diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, because what you eat shows up in your hair. Hair growth isn't just about expensive treatments and salon visits. Sometimes nature gives us exactly what we need, right in our kitchens. Onion juice is one of those gifts. It's affordable, simple, and when used consistently can transform your hair health. So, if you're struggling with thinning hair or hair loss, give this remedy a try. Your scalp and your confidence will thank you.